Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cast stuffing my motivational saving challenges, and I'm going to be cast stuffing my mini saving challenge binder. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here, I do gas stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy meal unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, nothing has been going on too much. I have been not doing, not really much, y'all. I did go to the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to show y'all what I ended up purchasing. It was just something small. And so, here it is, sweeties. I saw these beautiful, like, bags in the cosmetics section. And so, I thought these were super cute and super nice. So, this one says, wake up and make up. And so, I thought this was real nice because it has the lipstick on it. It's in pink and gold and black. And it has the lips on it. Like a kiss. So I thought that was super cute. And so on the side, it has like the wristlet. And, when you open it up and it zips up, see, all the way down, and look how wide it is. So I thought this was cute, honey, for $1.25. And so I ended up getting the pink one. And so I ended up getting this one as well. This is called Good Vibes Only. And I thought this was really nice. I love the colors of these beautiful flowers, and it has the star on top. And I like the saying on it. And so once again, this has the wristlet. And so it has the zipper on top. And it opens up so nice and so wide. And you can put anything in here, you guys. You can put like makeup, crayons, markers, anything like that. Or, like your essentials if you like going on vacation or something like that. So I thought these were really nice from the Dollar Tree. And once again, honey, this was a beautiful price. Honey, budget friendly. And it was $1.25. All right, sweetie. So that's what I did the other day. And so that's it, y'all. Once again, I always be on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, looking at videos. And once again, the rest of the week, I'm just going to play it cool. I'm just going to relax, chill, of course, work. And that's about it. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome rest of the week. All right, sweeties. So, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to take the monies out of this envelope. And the amount of money that we're going to be cast stuffing for today is going to be a total of $29. All right, sweeties, so let's open this up. And let's take the monies out of this envelope. And let's see that we have $29. So it's 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the denominations. I'm going to place it over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties, so we are going to get my mini binder here with all these beautiful mini saving challenges in here. And so I'm going to turn it to the next one to complete. I'm not going to complete them today, but, I'm just going to get a start on this one. This is the crown one. And I want to let you guys know that these mini saving challenges, they came from Valeria's Budgets, and she is on TikTok, and then she has a Etsy shop. So, sweeties, let me open this up. And I'm going to take this saving challenge out. And let me move this on the side. Look how small this is. I absolutely love it. So, sweeties, we're going to be cast stuffing a total of $16 in this one. And so that means I have to color 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And each one, once again, is worth $4 each. And so the total of this to be completed is $24. All right, sweeties. So I'm going to take my big markers. And these are the medium points. And so we're going to start coloring one of the crowns. And so I'm going to start coloring it. I'm going to use this pink marker. And so let's color, you guys. So, how is everybody doing? Well, this week, once again, everything has been going fine. I have no complaints. Like I said, I went to the Dollar Tree. Y'all, I was tempted to buy other stuff, but I didn't. I'm trying to chill out. But, you know, I've been doing pretty good on my nose spins. And I'm actually proud of myself, y'all, because y'all know me. Honey, I love to shop. But, you know, when I go to the Dollar Tree, I just think of it, you know, it's like budget friendly. You know, you get to buy some essential stuff that you need and, you know, stuff that you want. You know, it's budget friendly, you guys. You're not breaking the bank. So that's one of my favorite stores. And I love, y'all know I love Hobby Lobby, honey. I love buying my stickers from there as well. And, you know, that's about it. So I'm going to color the next one orange. And let's fill that in. And I'm going to do a better job off camera. All right, sweeties, we're going to color one more. And I think I'm going to color that one. I think I'm going to color it green, you guys. Let's color this right quick. All right, sweeties, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring back my binder here, and I'm going to place this saving challenge back inside here. But then I'm going to take a $16, and let me see, I'm going to take, let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, sweeties, so let's make sure I have it correctly. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, sweeties, now I'm going to fold this up, and I'm going to place it inside here. Let me see, can I, you know, close it back right, y'all. There we go. All right, sweeties, so I have 2 more to cast up, and I'm going to be finished with this saving challenge. So, sweeties, I'm going to place this one on the side. And so we're going to get this beautiful motivational saving challenge. And this one, absolutely love the saving challenges. And these were created by Simple Plans. I absolutely love Josie. And we are going to open up to the one, let me see, that I was working on. And so here it is. This one says, good things take time. I know that's right. So, sweeties, let me see. I'm going to start with the H, and I'm going to try to complete this saving challenge right now. So let's start with, let's start with blue, you guys. And let me color in the H. All right, sweeties. Then next, I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do orange right here. Let me color the I. All right, sweeties. Next, I'm going to use, let me find the purple one. Okay, here it is, sweeties. I have the purple one. I'm going to color the N. All right, sweeties. Now I am going to use I'm going to use the green. Uh-oh, sorry, y'all. Hit the camera. Let me make sure I put it back. All right, sweeties. I hope it's okay. All right, sweeties. Let me color the G with the green marker. I don't know why y'all keep on hitting the cameras and stuff in my videos. I'm not sure why I'm doing that, y'all. I think I be trying to rush. All right, sweetie. So next I'm going to do the pink. And I'm going to color the S. All right, sweeties. And so next I'm going to do the color. I'm going to make the T. Let's see. I think I might go with orange. Let's see. All right, sweeties, you know what? Let me see. I didn't even count how many of the words, the rest of the letters I need. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. I think I have $13 remaining left. Okay. All right, sweeties. So next I'm going to color, let me see. I think I'm going to go with purple. I'm going to color this A. All right, sweeties. Next, I'm going to do the K. I'm going to make that one blue. I don't know if y'all can hear my refrigerator. You know how it just kicked on, y'all. Y'all know how when your refrigerator goes off and on, that's how mine just kicked on. So I hope you guys can't hear it. All right, sweeties, I'm going to do pink. I'm going to color that E. And like I said, I'm going to do a little bit better job coloring it off camera. All right, sweeties, now I'm going to do the T. I'm going to do that yellow. All right, sweeties, next I'm going to do, let's see. I think I'm going to do blue. I'm going to color this eye blue. Next, I think I'm going to do, you know what? I think I'm going to do the M pink. All right, sweeties, and all right, sweeties, the last letter, it is the E. And you know what? I think I'm going to go with purple. All right, sweeties, so I've completed another saving challenge. I'm super proud of myself. So once again, it should be 13 letters. And I should have $13 here. So let me make sure. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, sweetie. So this saving challenge is worth $18 total. And so I want to count to make sure that I have the whole 18. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, sweeties. So I am super excited because I completed another saving challenge. And so let me cash stuff this money. And that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. And I will see you in my next one.